welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. I got a new something from Louis Vuitton. I actually had this item originally on my Christmas wish list, but I have decided to get it myself only because I don't know if it's going to be available by Christmas. This is the humongous box that the item came in. This was the online order. Here's the proof of purchase. So all the information is in here, including, you know, if you never order from online, including like return label and all that jazz. Okay, so like I mentioned, I have decided to get this myself now in November. It's because I'm just not sure if it's going to be available or not, and I just don't want to jeopardize you know, my chances of getting this item, because I know my husband is the last minute shopper. If I ask for something that I put, let's say, on my Christmas list, he's not gonna look for the item more than a week before, and I just feel like I'm jeopardizing my chances of getting this item. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I'm just gonna try to open those ribbons. There we go. All right, the box is pretty big, you guys. All right, I wonder if you know what it is. So this is the magnetic box, and the item I've got myself is this is the mini niece. How cute is this? A little cosmetic case. You know, when I've learned about this, I think in September, I've learned that the Louis Vuitton is coming up with the niece mini. I was sold right there. So I think originally it was supposed to be out sometimes in September, October, and yeah, that I heard they're not gonna release it until the end of November. And then just one day last week, I was on the Louis Vuitton website and I noticed that it's available, and I quickly, you know, put it in my cart. And like I said, I got it because I wasn't sure if it's gonna be available in Christmas. I don't know how many people are after this item, but I'm just, oh, I think it's so cute. And it's funny, like I mentioned, you know, when the package came, my husband's like, what did you order, right? And I didn't want to show him, and so you will never guess. And he guessed it. I guess I mentioned it before, and I couldn't believe that he knew. So anyway, there's something in here. So this is how the item looks inside. There is a little pocket. Looks like it's only one pocket. The niece BB has more pockets, which I'm gonna show you in just a second. And there's no zipper in here, so it's a little bit more, you know, simpler kind of version. And mine was made in Italy, right there, but it looks pretty much, you know, it's the same kind of material, and the whole construction, you know, of this little trunk is basically the same. There was a little booklet that was included, and oh yeah, there's some more info. So the number is M44495, those who are looking for one. I think the last time I checked a couple of days ago, it was available online, so I'm pretty sure they have it at the stores as well. And I got this little baggie. It says Louis Vuitton on it. Oh, there's the perfumes inside. Oh, cute. All right, and there's, what else is in here? Oh yeah, that's like a, is this the newest perfume that they have? I think this is the newest scent. So okay, that was nice. So this is my niece BB that I've got this past summer in Poland, and this is niece mini. So as you can see, there is a pretty much, that's a big difference between those two. This one is way bigger, and that's the mini. So that's how they look side to side. And here is the rear view, so you can see definitely, you know, there is a difference in size. How cute is this? So by the way, I was trying to use the niece BB, which is the bigger one, and my you know, cosmetics, everything just shuffle inside. And I end up ordering the organizer, which I don't have it yet. It's supposed to come sometimes next week or in 2 weeks, so I might show you back, you know, once I have the organizer, how neatly hopefully everything will be stored. But just to see the difference, so this Nice BB has 2 pockets here, like a little slip pockets, and there is this bigger slip pocket in here, and there is a zipper pocket, which I like because you can put like a cotton here, or the cotton swabs, or you know, anything in here, like more flat things. And this is the inside of the mini Nice. So as you can see, there's no zipper, and the only pocket that you have is right here. So you know, Nice BB, he has a little bit more pocket, but they are pretty similar, you know, inside. Other than that, so yeah, I feel like this is going to be like a perfect makeup bag, because this one is like, you can store more like your skincare, you know, like a bigger items, especially when you travel. I think it's such a great, you know, little trunk. And this one will be perfect to store all my like makeup goods. So I'm looking forward to use it so much. So the Nice mini was also made in Italy, same as my Nice BB, and it says here Louis Vuitton Paris. And yeah, there's a little LV on every single zipper, and I think it's such a little cute little item. I'm so happy that I was able to get it. And you know, it has some vachetas, you can see some piping heel all around, but yeah, how cute is that? So I feel, because this one is smaller, you know, obviously, than my Nice BB, I think like this one won't need an organizer. I feel like in here I can actually, you know, put my foundation nicely, and because it's not as deep. And I feel like in the Nice BB, everything was kind of shuffling, you know, once I put things and I tried to move it. I feel because this one is obviously not as deep, is not as big, and I can probably put some, even like Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette will fit in here, the long one, definitely. And yeah, I think this is like a perfect size for your everyday makeup. You know, you can definitely keep it on your vanity. And I do my makeup in the bathroom, so I don't really know if it's a good idea to keep those on my bathroom vanity, because it's like, I feel like it's always wet in there, you know. I have those acrylic organizers, which I think it's perfect for, you know, storing in the bathroom. So I do intend to use it more, you know, when I travel, when I go somewhere. So I feel like this would be like a perfect size to keep my, you know, all the makeup. And then in the Nice BB, I can put more like skincare item, you know, like a bigger items that you need to usually take with you. So I'm gonna have like this perfect duo. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm very excited to, you know, start using this item. Let me know if you're planning to get one of those, and if you have maybe already one, do you like it? I feel like it's just so cute. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, ring the bell, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys!